Power of the Fiat. Full race slicks.
What's up, guys? Welcome back. It's been like a couple days since the last video, just kidding, about a week or so. Really hope you guys are enjoying our videos and like everything how Daniel's putting them together. Hopefully they're starting to be funny at least. We'll get right to it. Jason's gonna take you guys on a little adventure today. Without further ado,
what's going on, you guys? Welcome back to Protective Film Solutions and welcome back to my daily driver. Make sure you get in there on this one. That's right, I got a Fiat 500. This thing was a joke car when I first started, and Ryan had one. I started borrowing his car because I didn't want to daily drive my Aston at the time. And I actually really love this car. So 1 year later, I went out and bought one. So it's true what they say. You get a car that's, you know, like the R8. Cars, it's easy to drive. You can't daily drive it, but it's loud, it's low, it's a little obnoxious. So this car's perfect to kind of slip in, and I only live a few minutes away from the shop, so it's perfect for that. So anyways, enough about that. Why are we in the Fiat? So we are going to pick up something special for one of our guys that's, you know, special to us. Jorje Sr. You guys have seen him in the vlogs. Jorge is Gio and George Jr.'s dad and Miguel Jr.'s grandpa. PFS is, like I said, everyone's family there, literally. So Jorge Sr. is actually gonna be going back to Mexico and gonna be helping out down there with family, and we don't know how long he's gonna be down there for. So George's role at PFS, he is kind of like our maintenance man. He is there for anything we need, but he's really taking care of the projects around the shop, making sure things are in working order. He's an all-around handyman, so he really is someone that is needed at PFS. So we're definitely gonna miss him. We're hoping he's back in about 4 months, and until then, we will have to figure out. So for now, we're making a quick pit stop. I got Daniel with me, doesn't know where we're going, and in about 2 seconds, you're gonna see that we're gonna buy this for him. That was a fail. I swear I've bought liquor here before, as it's called a liquor store, but I guess not. I guess it's beer and wine. So on to the next place. Shoot, I have no idea where to go.
Hopefully we have enough miles to...
Oh, we do. So Daniel, you've never been in this car before, huh?
That's right.
Watch the torque on this little baby. Ready?
It's like a Tesla.
And we're off to 30 miles an hour. Yeah, this thing, it weighs nothing. I call it a golf cart because it literally is.
Feels just like a Tesla.
Just like a Tesla, just with half the balls. All right, I'm going to make a pit stop to grab my food, and then we're going to continue to somewhere that has that because there's nothing close by.
So no alcohol at 10 in the morning, but you got yourself
Hey! Gotta get the protein in the morning. Small change of plans. Jason got breakfast instead of alcohol for Jorje. Sorry, Jorje.
One hand on the wheel, one hand on the bagel.
Right. This thing drives itself. Turning here?
Yeah.
Hopefully this place is open. Should not. I'm gonna get another bagel. Power of the Fiat with full race slicks. Nobody ever knows. You can't even hear it. Complete opposite than the R8, huh?
Yeah. I can smell the tires.
Yeah, roasting them, man. This thing's got power. Okay. This isn't a sketchy liquor store, right?
Not at all.
Park right in front in case something happens. Don't eat my food. Got the goods.
what you get.
You can do your YouTube magic and cut back to, this is what we got for Jorje. This is his favorite tequila, Don Julio. And yeah, we're gonna go give that to him because today is his last day. He's leaving actually in the next couple hours, packing up to go. So let's go ahead and head back to the shop.
All right, launch control in a Fiat.
Yeah, on a turn.
Yeah, we got this.
Yeah.
Torque steer.
Not sketchy at all.
Right into that
One
sun.
wheeler peeler. I'm gonna take out this trailer right there. Cop, cop, cop.
Bad boys.
Can't catch me riding dirty in the Fiat. You wanna see launch control?
Let's do it.
It's gonna be pretty uneventful, but ready?
Heck yeah.
Alright, enough adventure for today. So we just pulled up and we'll do a little comparison with the size of the Fiat next to a normal car.
Tequila.
Nothing to see here.
Mi papá Muñiz. Thank you very much for everything, my friend. You are very special. And take care and God bless you. Enjoy your work, please.
Give me a hug. Give me a hug.
Hey, my friend, you are very nice, friend.
So based on what Jason mentioned earlier, it is Jorje's last day for a while. He's off to Guatemala for a couple months to take care of some things. So without further ado, we've got Jorje here. We are gonna say our goodbyes and hopefully Jason makes his way down here quickly because I think we got him something. Jorje, you got anything you want to say to YouTube?
My friend, thank you very much for everything. I love you guys and honestly, you are very nice compañeros de trabajo.
Oh,
Para trabajar juntos. But first God, I'll be back soon, okay?
Okay.
soon. We're hoping sooner than later.
Soon,
a couple
maybe
months.
3 months.
3 months is what we're saying.
Yeah.
We're crossing our fingers. Where's we have a gift. We gotta find Jason though. Hold on.
And you are very special and they very nice friend. Cheer.
Cheers.
With water, but cheer.
Cheers.
So we found him after 15 minutes. Just kidding. But
In a meeting. It's just something a little small.
Jorje.
Para ti.
Oh, okay. Thank you very much, Jason.
No, it's for Ryan.
Oh, for Ryan.
Yeah, see,
okay.
no, from everybody here.
Oh, I thought he dropped the bottle.
Yeah, from everybody here. So it's a small gift.
This tequila, Don Julio, I enjoy and for para la salud de todos los compañeros de trabajo en Protective Field Solution.
Sí.
Money.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Jorje, for everything.
Thank you very much.
We
We'll see you
appreciate you.
soon.
So
We'll see you soon. We're
We're
gonna
back soon
come
in
visit
December.
you.
I coming in.
still August.
I know. It's a couple months, but
All right, sir.
be
Thank
safe.
you, my friend.
Fly safe and everything.
you
Are
very
you
much.
driving your own?
I flying the plane.
You're flying your own plane.
I'm flying the plane.
Alrighty, so
Bye, Jorje.
Thank you, my friend.
Bye, Jorje.
Thank you very much.
boom.
Just like that. They grow up so fast.
They go up so fast. It's so sad to see him leave us.
What up, Logan?
How's it going?
We have a show on Saturday, right?
We do. We have a show, our new series of show we're starting called Supercars at Sunset. It's just gonna be a nighttime cars and coffee, you can say, obviously without the coffee. Just a nighttime event. Should be pretty cool.
How many cars are you expecting?
We've got a list as of right now, about 100 cars. Cars must RSVP to display inside the main lot. So with that being said, I have a list of about 100 right now.
100?
100 cars.
This is gonna be a huge show.
Bunch of pistas, bunch of SVJs. It's a Bugatti themed show, so the inside of our facility will have a bunch of Bugattis on display. about 6 or 8 of them in total, but it's looking to be pretty wild.
Yeah, so you said there's gonna be Gunther Works there, right?
We do have 2 Gunther Works in total on display, a couple Koenig's eggs, plus a bunch of other things. Can't give away all the details, you just gotta come.
So speaking of the Gunther Works, should I hit that edit real quick?
You should, just like...
Hey Jason, did you ever get back to Joe?
What's Joe?
Joe Mama.
Ha ha!